going. Keep going. Go down the mountain, Maddie. Run him down the mountain faster. There you go. Keep going. There you go. Nice job. How we doing? Keep going. Keep going. There you go. Keep going down the mountain. Point them down the hill, Maddie. Point them down the hill. Nice job, man. There you go. There you go. Keep going. Good job. Keep going, gorgeous. How we doing? Making a wave? A wave? Keep going. Good job. Keep going, go going, go going, go going. Look at all the lovely snow we have. This is called island skiing or patch skiing. Look at that, no snow. Keep going, Maddie. There you go, girlfriend. Tearing it up. All right. Watch out for this guy.